Oh, let's see what we got in the mail today. I think it's mine. A kettle. From Sylvia the van. A lot smaller than I thought it would be. Electric kettle. Let's see. Got a cord. Carrying case. Kettle. Who needs instructions? Pop it up. Why is it sandy? It's kind of gritty. Wash it. Okay, let me get my measuring cup. See how much water I can put in here. Just ounces. Overfill. $16 and $12. Okay. Of course, not too long. It is 28 inches, 29 including the prongs. Okay, let's put you in, and let's turn you on. I can feel it's warm on the outside already. Good. It's been like it's been like 25 minutes. 25 seconds. Let me bring you in a little bit closer. Getting warmer. I'll see a little bit of bubbles coming up. I hear some noise. It's getting lighter. One downside, this gets very hot on the outside. The bottom is cool to touch. Top, this part right here is warm, but the handle is cool. But the body of the kettle is very warm. Okay, now I see boiling. Okay. Pretty good. And the kettle does shut off once it reaches a rolling boil. Now I won't let this water go to waste. Let me go ahead and make some ramen. Then once this cools down, I will take it out to the van. See how well it does on my Blue Eddy. Woohoo! I'll only use a little bit because this is the hot stuff. Okay, that's enough. But this has become one of my favorite. Shin green, not a sponsor, mushroom, and fried tofu. Get it at Walmart. So this would be good for my oatmeal, for ramen noodles, for tea, and my cafecito in the morning. Cover it up. Let that marinate. There's still some water in here. Okay, I'll let this cool down. And when I'm done with lunch, I'll take it outside. Okay, let's check to see how much power I have on my Blue Eddy. We're at 95%. Let's see how much it will drain when I put 2 cups of water in the kettle. Let's see how long it takes to boil. This on. Turn the AC. That's already on. Let me get.
It's 2:07.
Put my stopwatch on. See how long it takes to boil. Focus, focus. $141, $151. It's making a sound. Yeah, it's already hot. And I put 2 cups of water in here this time. 16 ounces. We're going on 2 minutes and 30 seconds. I need to find out how much power this is pulling. Let me put this down for a second. It is pulling 688 watts, 689, 688, 689. We're down 1%, 690. I see bubbles. Just started to boil. Let me show you. Whoa, that's hot. Okay. So about 3 minutes, 50 seconds. It's boiling. Now let's see if this shuts off. Yep, it shut off by itself. After it comes to a boil, it will shut off. Awesome. So I'm thinking 3 minutes, 50 seconds. And don't grab it. Only hold it by the handle. And it took 2%. That'll charge right back up because I am charging solar and it's pulling in 152 watts. So it'll be at 99% in no time. So there you have it. If you are looking for a tea kettle to boil water for coffee, tea, oatmeal, ramen noodles, this one actually was, I think it was at a sellout price of $13. I went ahead and got this one, and so far I think it'll work for my needs. It only took 2% of my power, but if I'm sitting in the sun, that should regenerate in no time. So here you go. I will put a link down below. Now let's take a look to see how quickly this folds down. It's still a little warm, but I think it'll be okay. This is made out of silicone, BPA free, and it doesn't fold down all the way, but it folds down that much. I'm thinking 1, 2, 3, about 4 inches, maybe 4.5, maybe 4. So convenient. Hey guys, thank you for staying all the way through to the end of this video. I appreciate you. Like, comment, share, subscribe. That helps me. It put this video out to more people, so I appreciate if you would do that for me. Don't forget, get outdoors. Have fun. Till next time.